You're the new Mutya Ning Sta 2026! Mutya Ning! Mutya Ning Santiago!
Meto nga ba yung reyna ing kinilala kaibat ng menaig ni pambato ning Barangay Santiago ay Jamila Ashley De Leon king ligligan legwan o ing Mutya ning Santa Ana 2026. Magsilbi la kanong kayaduangan king panyulong ning turismo reng kandidata ning Mutya ning Santa Ana.
Remember that you are leaders in your own right. You are the voices of your generation and ambassadors of our beloved town. To be proud of you are and continue to lift one another, shine brightly, and let your beauty radiate from within.
Kinilala namang first runner-up Chantel Musngi ning Barangay San Juan, kabang second runner-up naman ni Althea Eunice Quito ning Barangay San Pedro. Asungkit na namang Kaisha Marie Ricahuerte ning Barangay Santo Rosario ing third runner-up at Igraisel Arabella Morales ning Barangay San Nicolas ing fourth runner-up. King Special Awards, many muna yung Barangay San Juan. Kaibat na yung inuling Best Headdress, Miss Telegenic, Best in Casual Wear, Best in Swimsuit, at Best in Evening Gown. Ikwa na naman ng Miss Congeniality ng Barangay San Pedro, Miss Professional king Barangay San Pablo, Best in Production king Barangay San Bartolome, Miss Photogenic king Barangay San Nicolas, at Best Tourism Video king Barangay San Isidro. Linutang king Mutya ning Santa Ana 2026 ing Leguan, Kabiasnan, at talento na ring babaeng Pimpeño. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.